how to see how many friends you have on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see how many friends you have on Snapchat. Make sure that your Snapchat is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or to your Play Store and update your app. This is to ensure that you're going to face the same user interface, and so you will be guided all throughout. Now let's just head on and open Snapchat. And the first thing that we are going to do is head on to the Snap Map right here by clicking on this at the bottom left corner. If you're prompted to find your location or something like that, just click on Allow. And after that, your Snap Map will load. And then let's just click on this settings icon at the top right corner right here. And let's click on only these friends. Just click on that option and you will see the list of your friends right in this page. So what we're going to do is below on the Recents tab, let's focus on this and click on Select All. So that will select all your friends that you have on Snapchat. Or actually just click on Select All on all the options right here. And let's just hit on Save button right here. And that will actually immediately show the number of your friends. So 39 right here. So it's in total I have 41 friends that is stated right here. So just to confirm, let's go back and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Scroll down a bit and let's focus on the Snap Map tab right here, and you can see the information on how many friends you have through this part right here. So I'm sharing a location with 41 friends. So that means that I currently have 41 friends on Snapchat. So that is basically how you can know how many friends you have on Snapchat. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.